Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm gonna show you how you can change your PayPal account name. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time. So once you're logged into your PayPal account and on PayPal's main page, what you're gonna wanna do is go over on the right side, on the top corner of your screen, right here. As you can see, I have three buttons: a little bell with my notifications, or gear, and the logout. Obviously we are going to press on the gear, which signifies settings, and once our settings load up, your screen should look something like this. um, from here you can press change name, click on change name, and you have three options: change your legal name, use a new name after marriage, divorce, etc., or update your name, use your full name instead of a nickname, for example, or make a minor correction, fix a typo of one or two characters. For the purpose of this video, we are going to press on update your name. Now you should update your ID and other stuff in order to make this all legal. Obviously, I'm not going to do that, but the process from here now is really simple, and you should work things out without a problem. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.